This is hands down the easiest way to get a nice user interface for Ollama. I'll show you how to install this Chrome extension called Page Access. So first of all, you head over to Google and then you type in Page Access. You should see the first item as the Chrome extension. You click here, and then this is the extension itself, and it got pretty good rating, and I pretty much agree with this one. So you can click here to install, and after you install it, you should have it inside your Chrome extension list. Like here, if I click, then I will get access to Page Access. After we are inside Page Access, what we need to do is we need to pick a model that we want to use here. So I have a few listed for Ollama that I have already downloaded. So you can pick any of it, and then you can right away shop with it like this. If you have problem like you're not seeing models here, then what you need to do is you need to go inside the settings, and then you need to check here Ollama and see that the Ollama URL and everything is set up correctly, which it should by default. And especially if you see at the center here that Ollama is running, then you should be fine. That's it. It's that simple. So you have already set up a very nice user interface for your Ollama models. And it works even for models that require API key like Gemini as well, for example, which I can show you guys how to set up in the next video. So I hope that you like what you're seeing here, and I can take you through Pages' extension in more detail in the next video if you're interested. Please like and subscribe to the video if you like this kind of content, and stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.